Hi, I'm Rosario Bautista from BSCS to ABA, the Chief Executive Officer of the business of automatic water vending machine. So our product name is Aquamatic from the word aqua. It is sometimes also used to mean use water. And in fact, the Latin root means water, the sea, or rain. And the word matic is a suffix often associated with the automation of automatic processes. So aquamatic essentially means as automated system related to water. In the context of an automatic water vending machine, aquamatic likely emphasizes the automated and convenient nature of the technology in providing access to purified water. Stay refreshed without the wait. This tagline suggests that aquamatic water vending machines provide quick and convenient access to refilling water, emphasizing the idea of avoiding water, sometimes typically associated with other methods of obtaining water, such as purchasing bottled water or waiting in line at a water dispenser. It highlights the efficiency and ease of use of aquamatic machines for staying hydrated on the go. Water is fundamental necessity for human life, and access to clean, safe drinking water is crucial for maintaining health and well-being. However, in many urban areas, the availability of potable water can be limited in inconsistent. Our business aims to address this issue by introducing automatic water vending machines. These machines will provide an accessible, convenient, and cost-effective solution for obtaining clean drinking water. Our company proposes the deployment of automatic water vending machines in high-traffic urban areas such as public market, public transportation hubs, educational institutions, and parks. Use of refillable containers encourage users to bring their own reusable bottles or containers to refill at the vending machine. Biodegradable cups. If providing single-use options, use biodegradable cups made from materials like paper or compostable plastics. Our company is introducing a 24/7 water vending machine to provide easy access to clean, safe drinking water at any time. The machine will be equipped with advanced filtration system to ensure the highest quality of water. Customers can fill their own bottles or containers, promoting sustainability by reducing the use of single-use plastic bottles. Our automatic water vending machines business addresses a critical need for accessible, affordable, and safe drinking water. By leveraging advanced filtration technology and strategic placement, we aim to make a positive impact on public and environment while building a profitable and accessible business.
Hi, I'm Irish Joy I. Jimenez from BSCS to ABA. I am the Chief Financial Officer of the business Automatic Water Vending Machine. Today, I will explain to you our capital, fixed expenses, monthly expenses, and income. First, our capital. Expenses, maintenance and repairs, total 5,000. Electricity, 9,000. Water supply, 12,000. Loan payments, 5,000. Permit fees or annual, 12,000. Caps, 3,000. Opening capital is 500,000. Our target market, 36,621 population of Kawayan City, Isabela. 5% of population. 1,831.05 monthly target. 76.29 daily target customers. Average sales per customer is 76.29. Target market is 1,831.05. Target customer per day is 80. Monthly gross sales is 146,484. Daily target customer is 6,103.50. And this is our fixed expenses. 220,000. And this is our monthly expenses. 148,000. And our rent is 5,000, electricity 3,000, and this is our outstanding balance in 2024.
Hi, I am BJ De La Cruz Guntayon from BSCS 2ABA, and I am a Chief Marketing Officer of Business Automatic Water Vending Machine. Aquamatic, pure clean water is affordable and accessible. Pure clean water indicates the quality of water it produces, suggesting that it removes impurities and contaminants. Affordable and accessible implies this water solution is both reasonable price and easy to obtain, making it practical choice for consumers. Overall, Aquamatic seems to offer an affordable and convenient way to people to access no clear and safe drinking water. Second, identifying the target audience, increasing brand awareness. Aquamatic can effectively identify its target audience and increase brand awareness, ultimately leading to increased sales and market share. Third, purified water, refill containers, low cost convenience. Aquamatic offers purified water through refillable containers at low cost, providing convenience and affordability for consumers. The fourth one, installed at shopping centers, parks, schools, and market. Aquamatic water stations are installed in high traffic locations such as shopping centers, park, school, and markets, making it convenient for people in these areas to access affordable purified water through refillable containers. 5. Sustainable alternative to bottled water, accessible and clean. Aquamatic provides a sustainable alternative to bottled water by offering accessible and clean purified water through refillable containers. This helps reduce plastic waste and provides an environmentally friendly solution for staying hydrated. 6. Enhancing customer engagement, loyalty, and business growth. Aquamatic can enhance customer engagement, loyalty, and business growth by providing personalized experience, proactive customer support, and innovative product services. They can use data analytics to understand consumer preference and behavior, enabling target marketing campaigns and product service recommendations. And the last one, water vending machine, affordable, convenient, eco-friendly. Aquamatic can introduce water vending machines that offer affordable, convenient, and eco-friendly solutions for customers. These machines can provide purified water at a lower cost compared to a bottled water, reducing plastic waste. The convenience of these machines can attract more customers, leading to increased engagement and loyalty.
Hi, I'm Daniela Salvador Empleyer and I am the Chief Technology Officer.